Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you top 5 websites where you can download any sick PNG image. So watch till the end and please rub a like. Enjoy watching! First website is sick PNG. There you can find a lot of categories, like those. Also, you can search image by writing his name in the search field. There I find the school robot, electric scooter, Burj Khalifa, and this sticker. Second website is PNG Pics. There you can find images by scrolling image list or writing in the search field. There I find Elon Musk. Woohoo! This crazy tank, camera and strong water pump. Third website and PNG AAA. Cool name. There you can find image by scrolling popular PNG image list or browsing by categories and or right in the search field. There I find this PS5, Popcat Mimia, Pop Mobile UC, and a higher face. Woo! I'm fucking idiot. Fourth website is free PNG image. There you can find images by browsing by categories and or right in the show field. There I find this Lamborghini Aventador, sunglasses and subscribe button. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because here you'll find a lot of useful and interesting things for yourself. And the last website is PNG Guru. There you can find images by browsing popular albums collection or by browsing a PNG image list or writing in the search field. There I find this house and dollar icon, coconut with lemon and orange. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends. Good luck and see you in the next one!